Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Manya Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to the breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we have got it all covered. And starting with this, we are adding something new, a daily AI tool or tip to help you work smarter and live more efficiently in this digital age. So, the lead story of the today will be about Nvidia, which briefly becomes the world's most valuable company. More on that in a bit, but first let's dive into today's top tech headlines. Before we move on to them, like, share and subscribe the channel for all your tech updates. Starting with the headlines, Google Veo expands to more countries including India. Google's advanced AI video generator Veo is now available in India and other countries via subscription. Positioned as a competitor to OpenAI's Sora, Veo allows users to create high-quality videos from text prompts using multimodal inputs. The tool is aimed to creators and business, offering cinematic effects, scene transitions, character consistency, all generated through simple instructions, making video creation more accessible and efficient. Starting with Google Gemini Side Panel comes to Workspace app. Now, Google has officially rolled out its Gemini AI Side Panel to popular workspace apps like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive. Now, this integration allows users to perform tasks like drafting emails, summarizing documents, and generating data insights directly within their workflow. The feature aims to boost productivity by placing generative AI assistants just a click away with a seamless and intuitive experience. Vivo X Fold 5 and X200 FE to launch in India. Vivo has confirmed the launch date for its much-anticipated foldable X Fold 5 and X200 FE smartphones in India. The event is set for July 11 and both the devices are expected to bring significant upgrades in design, performance and camera capabilities. The X Fold 5 will target the premium foldable market, while X200 FE aims to deliver the flagship features at a competitive price. India's first Dolby Cinema opens in Pune. India was welcomed by its first Dolby Cinema at Phoenix Mall of the Millennium in Pune. This premium movie-going experience combines Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos for enhanced visuals and immersive audio. Cinema boasts 280 recliner seats, 4K projections, and advanced acoustic design. With Showtime's Now Live, cinephiles can enjoy an international standard audio-visual experience never seen before in our country. Bolt launches Fluid X Pro over-ear headphones. Now, Bolt has stepped into the premium audio market with the launch of its Fluid X Pro over-the-ear headphones. Designed for audiophiles, the headphones feature active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.3, 70-hour battery life, and ultra-soft memory foam ear cushions. Now, positioned as a flagship product, Fluid X Pro aims to deliver studio-grade audio at an accessible price point, making it a strong contender in the high-end headphone segment. Tecno Pova 7 5G launched in India. Tecno has launched the Pova 7 5G smartphone in India, targeting budget gamers and power users. It features a 6.78-inch FHD Plus LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor, 6000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, and a 50-megapixel dual camera setup. Device also boasts a dynamic interface and runs HiOS based on Android 14. Now that you're caught up on the headlines, let's shift our gears and check out something that could make your digital life a lot smarter, the AI tool of the day. So the AI tool of the day is Midjourney. It is an advanced AI image generator that turns your text prompts into stunning artistic visuals within seconds. So whether you're a designer, marketer, writer, or just a creative soul, Midjourney lets you bring imagination to life with surreal cinematic or hyper-realistic styles. Just describe what you want and boom! Artwork ready. Try Midjourney today. Type, create and share your masterpiece. Link is in the description below. Comment what you made. Now moving on to the lead story of the day, which is about Nvidia briefly becomes the world's most valuable company. So what the story says. Nvidia has reached a historic milestone by briefly becoming the most valuable company in the world, with its market capitalization soaring to $3.92 trillion. This surge pushed it ahead of tech giants like Apple and Microsoft, driven by relentless demand for its advanced AI chips. Nvidia stock climbed to an all-time high before slightly retreating, but the rally highlights the company's dominance in powering Gen AI technologies across industries. Major players such as Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, they rely heavily on Nvidia's hardware for their AI infrastructure, fueling the investor confidence. Despite its meteoric rise, growing nearly eightfold since 2021, analysts believe Nvidia still has a room for growth, projecting that it could soon hit $4 trillion mark. Company now makes up a significant portion of S&P 500 index, making its movement critical to broader market trends. This moment marks a turning point in the tech industry, which AI clarity is taking the center stage. And that's a wrap for today's Tech Bulletin. I'm Manya Gupta and this is IT Voice, where we break down, minus the jargon, technology. Don't forget to like, share and follow IT Voice for all your updates, and I'll see you tomorrow with some more tech stories.